Hello there, welcome back to the Chef T for Tochukwu. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you enjoyed the quick and easy recipe you are about to watch. Hi guys, so I'm going to be showing you how I make rice noodles. So first, in a bowl you get your rice noodle, you place it in there, and then you add turmeric just for the color of it, for the sake of it, and then you add boiling water, guys, not hot water, boiling water, okay, and then you make sure the water supersedes the noodles, like it should be above the noodles. So you soak it for like, I soaked mine for like 8 minutes, yeah. So after 8 minutes it should look something like this, yeah. And then you just give it a good stir so the turmeric gets in everywhere, and then you just sieve out the water. So I'll actually advise when you're soaking it, you actually add salt, okay. I'll give you my reason later on. So olive oil, ginger, garlic, turmeric, pepper. Guys, at this point your kitchen should know Precious has entered the kitchen with a recipe. If you're following my method though. But anyways, at this point you should make sure you fry your saute your garlic, turmeric, garlic, ginger, yeah, onions, pepper, and then it will just give your kitchen, onions, everything, to give the food a nice flavor. Basically, that's the purpose of it. And then I added my sausage and prawns. Don't use pork sausage anymore, guys. Try chicken sausage. It's the most amazing thing I found this year. I know I'm late, but yeah. So I added my mixed spice, and then I just gave it a good stir, good mix, and then it should look like this after a little while. So guys, try chicken sausage and not pork sausage, and trust me, you would enjoy it. So now I'm just adding olive oil into one side of the pot where I'm going to add my egg, my raw egg, just one. You can use 10 if you want, but I'm using just one egg. Don't forget the calories detail is always in the description box. That's one thing you should love about me. I always tell you the amount of calories in the whole food. So yeah, calories detail is always in the description box. So now I'm just giving everything a good mix, getting everything together, and then I added oil again, and then I added my bell pepper. Make sure you don't over fry your bell pepper, it's just not going to be nice. So the reason why I said you should soak your noodles with salt when you add the turmeric is because I noticed that when I added my salt at this point, it was almost as if I didn't add seasoning, and I just didn't like there was seasoning, but it was just not enough for me. And I just felt like it was more of these vegetables, proteins, and the rest that had the seasoning, as opposed to the noodles getting the seasoning like I wanted. You get? So I'll advise you to soak your noodles with salt, okay? And now I'm just adding the rice noodles, and I am going to give it a stir and a mix, and then make sure everything just going. Let all the bobo tigbo enter inside. You can season at this point again. I'll advise you do that. Don't be like me. This is the first time I'm making this thing. The idea just came to my mind. I just saw it at Tesco, and I'm like, hey, let me try this recipe when I get home. And that is how this video came about, to be very honest with you. I didn't see it anywhere. I just saw it in Tesco when I was shopping, and I was like, okay, let me just get this and try out something. So yeah, that's why I made all these mistakes, and probably in future I won't make the same mistake. And then I added soy sauce, and yeah, I just kept giving it a good stir so you can get that dark color. Yeah, as you can see, the color is changing. Can you see it? So yeah, it's changing, and that's basically it, guys. It's not difficult, straightforward as always. Thank you so much for... Oh, can you just look at this glorious, beautiful plate? Hi. Make sure you try out the recipe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to you. Tell everybody. Don't forget to comment down below if you would try out the recipe, or if you tried it out and you'd like to let me know. Also, you can contact me on my Instagram page called the chef tea. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy quick recipes, and please turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, if I upload a video, you get it instantly. You just get the notification and you come here and watch the video. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.